guys, this is Engineering Things, and today we will talk about how to download status from WhatsApp, as there is no option to download status from WhatsApp. To download, first of all, you have to open your WhatsApp. As I have opened my WhatsApp, uh, after opening your WhatsApp, you have to sorry you have to download status downloader app from Google App Store or Play Store. Then open your status downloader. I have downloaded it earlier. After opening, you can see three options here. You have to choose recent stories. A bit of ads will come, but this is a great app. I have used it. Now you can see here the status, recently uploaded status. You can download by simply clicking on download tab, and your status will be downloaded, saved. And these are the downloaded statuses. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and please do subscribe our channel and share it, and please click the bell icon for updates from our channel. uh, Again, thank you very much, and that's it. Take care.